We'll guide you through how to make a Roblox shirt. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You can go and completely make your own Roblox shirt and customize it to your liking. You can then go and put it on sale if you wish, or just wear it yourself. So let's go and get right into this. First of all, come to Roblox like so. Then you need to go to the top and you need to click on Create. Now you need to go to the top and click on Learn, and you need to go and click on Overview and click on Search Docs. Go and type in Roblox shirt like so, and you can go and search for that, and then go and find the option Classic Clothing. Scroll down and you should go and find the templates here. On the left, we've got the option for shirt. Go and right click on the shirt template on the left here and click on Save Image As, and you can then go and save it to your computer like so. We've now got the template. Now, what we need to do is go and open up a new tab and go and search for a site called Photopea. It's a great online photo editor and graphic design tool, so you can then come to photopea.com. You want to go and click on Open from Computer and go and find the template you just saved on your computer. Select it and click Open, and it should open it up just like so. Here it is. Just to briefly explain how this works, essentially this will go and fold up and go and create your Roblox shirt. So we've got the main torso here, and then we've got the arms. So where the colors are, that is what Roblox is going to go and fold up. So what we need to do is go and cut this out. So go and grab the selection tool over to the left, and you can go and zoom in by using Control and plus. And you then want to go and start selecting the area. So click, hold and drag like so, and drag over it to go and select it like so. Then you can press the delete key on your keyboard to cut it out, and you can repeat that for the other parts. When you finish cutting everything out, to go and deselect, you need to press Control and D like so. Now we're ready to go and start actually making the t-shirt itself. So what you could do is go and add a solid color. To do this, you would go to the bottom right and go and tap on New Layer. Grab this new layer over to the right here and just drag it below background. I'll come over to the left here and go and grab a color, currently set to black. I'll go and set it to blue and press OK. Then we can grab the select tool and I'll go and click and hold over the area I want to go and make that color, and then I'll let go. We can come over to the left, click and hold on the gradient tool and grab paint bucket tool. Click on the area, we've now made it blue. So you could do that, and by the way, to undo anything, just press Ctrl and Z. Now, if you want to go and make it a bit more realistic, you can go and open up a new tab. So I like to use sites like Pixabay or Pexels, and you can go and type in texture or clothing, and you go and see a load of different styles you can go and get here. For example, I may go for this one here, so I can go and click on it, and we can then go and download it by going over to the right, clicking download. We can then come to Photopea and go to the top left and click on File and click on Open in Place. You can go and find it. I'll go and select it and click Open, and there it is. You can go and adjust the position of it by clicking, holding and dragging, and you can resize it as well. And you can then click on the Confirm button at the top. And you could also go and add other layers as well. For example, I want to go and add in the GuideRealm icon. So I can go up to the top, click on File and click on Open in Place, and I'll find it. I've now added it, and I'll just position it and then confirm it like so. So you get the idea. You can go and continue to add different textures and different images and things like that. What you can also do is if you search for Roblox shirt shading, you can go and get something which looks like this. You can right click on it and we can go and save this to our computer. We can return to Photopea and click on File in the top left, click on Open in Place. We can open it up and here it is. I'll just need to go and resize it so it fits it correctly. And we can press Confirm at the top. Now what you can do is come over to the right, and just below layers you can go and choose the effect. So you can go and choose overlay, for example. Alternatively, you can just go and adjust the opacity as well. When you're finished, head to the top left and click on File. You can scroll down. So you can click on Save as PSD. If you want to come and edit it again later, you can upload it. But to go and export it and use it on Roblox, hover over Export As, click on PNG, and you can then go and click on Save, like so, and it'll be downloaded. Return to Roblox and go to the top and click on Create. Then come over to the left and click on Creations, and you want to go and click on Avatar Items. Come over to the right and click on Classics, and you want to change it to Classic Shirts. Now what we can do is go and click on Upload Asset, click on Upload, and click on Open, and there it is. And give it a name, add a description, and we can then upload it. This will go and cost you 10 Robux, so I'll click on upload, and that's it. Now we come back to avatar items, we can click on classics and we change it to shirts again. We should be able to go and see it. Go and click on it like so, and you can switch on sale like so, and you can then go and set a price. To go and wear it yourself, you need to go and tap on the 3 lines in the top left of Roblox and go and click on avatar, and then it should automatically be added here. As you can see, there it is, so I can now go and put on the shirt, and I'll just take off the jacket to show you how it looks, and as you can see, there it is. I think it looks super cool.